Unboxing the Garmin Fenix 6S. This is 2023 and this is an older watch now, but you can get it like half price over the Fenix 7. No touchscreen, but still a premium beautiful watch. This one is for my wife. She's been wearing it for about a month now. Absolutely flawless. Got your standard cable inside. A few manuals. And the watch, well presented. Gotta do that peel. Real-time battery life, probably about 7 days, with some activities every day or two. You're not going to need the latest and greatest. The Fenix 6 line is still solid. Older sensor, but it holds up. At 50% off, it's absolute bargain. And for an older watch, it still performs really well. Consider the 6 over the 7. You'll save yourself so much money. It's got heaps of widgets, heaps of features. I run an Instinct 2 tactical, and I'm jealous of the Fenix 6S.